In the world of video editing, managing a plethora of images and videos can be a challenging task. Fortunately, DaVinci Resolve offers a seamless solution by allowing you to import entire media folders, offering enhanced organization and efficiency. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to effortlessly import a media folder into DaVinci Resolve's media pool. To initiate the process, ensure you are on the Cut page. This is your starting point. From there, navigate to the Media Pool section, the hub where you manage all your media assets. Here, you'll notice two distinct options for importing media individual items or entire folders. The flexibility to choose between the two is crucial for tailoring your workflow to your specific needs. For importing an individual item, simply click on this icon. However, if you wish to import an entire folder, click on this alternative icon. This is a fantastic feature for those instances when you want to keep related files together, maintaining a structured and organized project layout. Once you've made your choice, select the folder you want to import and click Open. DaVinci Resolve will swiftly bring in all the files within the chosen folder, streamlining the importing process. Now, to view the imported folder, navigate to the bin list and select Master. In this section, you'll find a comprehensive list of all your imported media assets, including the folder you just brought in. This method of importing media folders enhances your editing experience by providing a systematic and efficient approach to handling multiple files. It's a valuable step towards maintaining a well-organized media pool, which is key to a smoother and more productive editing workflow. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to import a media folder in DaVinci Resolve. Incorporate this into your editing routine to experience the full benefits of an organized and streamlined workflow.